Hi, we're the
Katelynns, and today we're going to be talking about taxes.
We had a few people send in their questions about taxes that us professionals are going to answer.
Katelynns, how old are most taxpayers?
Glad you asked, Remick.
Most of the people who file for taxes are between the ages 35 and 55. Out of all the people who pay taxes, teenagers are the minority group.
They're the minority group because quite a few teenagers don't have jobs and don't have a set income. That means most teenagers are dependent and do not meet the unearned or earned income requirement to file for a tax return.
Unearned income is the income that is not earned, meaning it's derived from another source, such as gifts or inheritance.
Earned income is the income that you receive from your employer, such as wages, salaries, tips, or self-employment income.
Katelynns, is there an age requirement to pay taxes?
Thanks for asking, Wilhelm.
Some may believe that there are age requirements, but that is not the case. It doesn't matter how old you are. If you ever bought anything, you still pay sales tax.
Although there is no age requirement, there are requirements to filing a tax return. Your earned income needs to be more than $12,400, and your unearned income needs to be more than $1,100.
When you hit the age of 65, the standard deduction increases depending on your filing, dependent or independent.
Standard deduction is a dollar amount that non-itemizers may subtract from their income before taxes.
Katelynns, what is a tax return and what types of income are taxed?
Good question, Cooper.
A tax return is a form you file each year with the IRS that details your adjusted gross income, expenses, and other financial information. Most of these details come from your W-2 statement that your workplace provides you weeks in advance to file your taxes.
What is a W-2 statement?
Well, a W-2 statement is a form used in the United States to report wages paid to employees and the taxes withheld from them.
The types of income that are taxed are wages, salaries, tips, bonuses, and vacation pay. Hi, Katelynn. I'm Jessica, and I'm 24, and I live in my own apartment. I earn $48,000 a year. Should I file a tax return?
Yes, Jessica, you meet all the requirements to file a tax return because you classify as an independent. You are independent because you live on your own and make your own income. Hi, Katelynns. My name's Brian. I'm 15 years old and I'm a sophomore in high school. I live with my parents and I have a photography business on the side. My net income is $320. Should I still file for taxes?
Hi, Brian. No, you do not meet the requirements to fill out a tax return. Since you're self-employed, your net earnings need to be at least $400 or more, regardless of your dependent status.
2, 1.
Hey, what is the benefit of filing for a tax return, even if I don't meet the minimum requirements?
Thanks for the question, Mom.
If you don't owe tax at the end of the year, but had taxes withheld from paychecks or other payments, filing a return may allow you to obtain a tax refund.
A tax refund is a payment to the taxpayer when the taxpayer pays more tax than they owe. Thanks for everybody who sent their questions in.
In conclusion, tax returns are a good way to get a portion of your money back to pay off some debt and student loans, or invest.